We're going to look today at dividing decimals using the partial quotient method. I've given us a word problem to look at just because some context kind of helps me work these out, frame my thinking, because this was not the way I thought through problems when I learned to divide. Marie bought 3 suckers that each cost the same amount. She spent $1.62 in all. How much should each sucker cost? Okay, so what I like to do to start with is just make me a list over to the side of some facts that might be useful in solving this problem. So I know that 3 groups of $1 is going to equal, it's going to equal $3. That's more than what Marie spent on her sucker, so that's going to be too much. They're all going to be less than $1. Each sucker is going to be less than $1. I'm going to use my knowledge of halves, and I'm going to half that dollar to 50 cents and half the $3 to $1.50. 3 groups of 50 cents is $1.50. That's closer to my dividend, so I'm going to go ahead and say 3 groups of 50 cents would be $1.50, and that's 12 cents of my dividend that I've yet to be removed. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to come back to my list, and I'm going to say, well, I know that 3 pennies, 3 groups of 1 cent, is 3 cents. Now some kids may choose to pull out the 3 cents, but hopefully they'll see, and that's totally fine, but hopefully they'll see that they can say, all right, 3 groups of 4 cents, because I know that 3 times 4 is 12, so 3 times 4 cents is going to be 12 cents, okay? And then I can just go ahead and pull out that entire amount. 4 cents times 3 is 12 cents, and now I've used my entire dividend, and I can add my partial quotients, 54 cents. So each sucker was 54 cents. And that is partial quotients, a method for dividing decimals.